let's make chutney. I have roasted the chana dal to golden brown. See, this is the chana dal. Just pour little oil and roast it to golden brown. And I have taken one bowl of coconut, shredded coconut. Going to add the coconut, the chana dal, a little bit of tamarind extract, salt and chili powder. Now we have to grind this one to a smooth paste. Add water and grind it to a smooth paste. You can add water to the preferred consistency. I have added this much water. Now we are going to temper it, or the tadka. So add oil, and once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, little urad dal, let's add this to the chutney. Let's make the favorite ghee roast. The pan is nice and hot. Coat with oil, and this is the batter consistency. I haven't flipped it yet. Now I'm going to add some ghee. Keep the flame in medium. Now I'm going to pour oil around. See, I have added ghee and I haven't flipped the dosa. Okay, now I'm going to start flipping. I'm going to flip it. This is done. Let us taste the chutney with the dosa. Need to taste the chutney. Awesome.